and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can automatically add your Kommo CRM leads to your Google Sheets as a new row. Yes, we can build this connection by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here on my screen, you can see a connection that I've already built between my Kommo CRM and my Google Sheet. So that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Kommo CRM through my form, then instantly that detail is added in my Google Sheets as a new row so that my team can follow up with the leads and we have a proper backup for the same. So now here, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works by simply making a new test lead, by simply generating a test lead using our Kommo form. So this is a form and here I've already pre-filled some details such as name, phone number and the email. So we're going to click on the submit. And it says form submitted successfully. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And you can see instantly the new data is added in our Google Sheet where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your own business by using this automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard and here to build any connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add Kommo CRM data to Google Sheets automatically. And for the folder, we're going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Google Sheets. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here and it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, now let's move back to the dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Kommo CRM. So we are going to select that trigger as Kommo CRM and app event as new lead. Then you're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Kommo CRM with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL and here I've already logged inside my Kommo account. So this is my Kommo account and from here we're going to click on the settings given in the left side bar. Now here in the settings we are going to select integrations and under integrations you can see the option of webhooks over here in the top right corner. So we're going to select it and here you can see already an existing webhook has been added. If it is a new connection, then you can add a webhook over here. For now, I'm going to remove this previously existing webhook URL and I'm going to add a new webhook URL. After that, here for the event, I'm going to select it as incoming lead added. You can select the event as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to select that because we are receiving leads through form. Then we're going to click on the save, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Kommo CRM. That means we have successfully built a connection between our Kommo CRM and Pabbly Connect. So now as you can see, as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead inside our Kommo form. So for that, let me take you back to my form, and here I'm going to enter some another dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as demo user. Here I'm going to add a random phone number. Then here for the email address, I'm going to add the random email address. Alright, so I've successfully added the details, and now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says form successfully submitted. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the form details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received the details, then instantly I'm going to add those details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my event as add a new row. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name leads. So I'm going to select the same over here, and for the sheet we are going to select sheet 1. Then here it is asking us to add the name, email and the phone number. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that you're going to receive a new lead through our Kommo CRM. Then immediately this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, we are going to map the name that we have received. Here for the email address, we are going to map the email address, and here we're going to map the phone number. So this is the phone number. Now here after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see instantly we have received the new details where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Kommo and an action as Google Sheets. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Kommo CRM, then instantly that new detail will be added in our Google Sheets as a new row so that we can set up a backup of all the leads received. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Kommo CRM data to Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the code link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.